I'm Kim.
I'm Hayden.
I'm Brad.
We're 626 Ohana, California, and today we are opening our box from the Christmas Time Funko Swap, which was hosted by Amanda over at Hydes Do Disney.
And we'll put her links down below for her channel.
And the other channels that participate, so you can check out their videos too and see who we got. So we're really excited to be a part of the Christmas Time Funko Swap. It's our first exchange that we've done.
Yeah, we've never done this, so this is really exciting for us, so let's get to it. Okay, so we're gonna have Hayden open the box.
Somebody's a big Pop Funko fan.
Spell there.
Pull to open.
Oh!
Okay. Now remember, you have to open up any envelope. Wait, is there any envelopes in
Is there an
there?
envelope first?
I don't see no.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, pull.
Go ahead.
Piglet.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
A Christmas piglet.
And
cute.
oh,
Oh,
and Christmas Winnie the Pooh.
oh, we got a Winnie the Pooh. How cute.
Oh, here's the card.
Oh, the card's in front. Sorry, we didn't notice. So let's see who gave us these great, amazing. Let's look at
Here we
this.
go. So, Kim.
Okay, hold on. So this is our little piglet. Look, he's got a present. This is really cute.
And Winnie Pooh has a stash of honey.
Of course. Pooh's always gotta have honey.
Okay.
All right. I'm always bad at opening up envelopes. I don't know why. I'm excited to see who gave us these wonderful pops.
Those are cool.
These Funkos.
Can I open?
Oh, yeah. Hayden, you want to read? Okay.
Let's mommy read. Okay.
Okay, we got this cute little Santa card. Okay. Dear Kim, I'm so excited that I got you in our box swap. I'm glad that we both share the love of Disney and of Funko Pops. I look forward to getting to know you more. Merry Christmas. Love, the Disney darling, Nikki. Aw, thank you, Nikki. These are really great. So, we're excited. These are going to be showcased all for our Christmas season.
So,
Except for I have an idea that somebody's going to steal them.
thank you, the Disney darling. We like it. That's awesome.
They're really great, and she's got a great channel. You guys, please check out Disney Darling and also the Hydes Do Disney. With that, we're gonna say Happy Holidays
And
find your magic.
Happy
Bye.
holidays, everybody.